Hi guys, sorry, been a little bit of a break, a bit longer than we anticipated. Unfortunately, Janet's mother, my mother-in-law, has just passed away. For the last week or so we've been running up and down from Hartlepool to Leeds every day. We did manage to get away. Gladys, bless her heart, said we mustn't change our plans. So we did have a bit of a break up in Amble, and then we've come back, and then sadly last night she passed away. So it will be a little bit bitty on getting videos out over the next week or so whilst we get everything sorted. But anyway, enjoy this one. There's going to be a little bit of work on the boat and a run up to Amble. Living on a boat, you still have all the same things you have to do back at home, like fit curtain tracks. Oh. In order to try to conserve the heat during the winter, we're going to put curtains on our front screen. We've managed without for the last 2 winters. We're coming into our 3rd winter, but with the cost of energy and everything else, we're trying to conserve whatever we can. So we're going to fit some curtaining onto the front screen. The problem is obviously the screen slopes and it's not a regular shape, but hey, we'll see what we can do. One of the things we've gone for is a bendy track. So that's the track, plenty of clips and bits. So right now I'm just fastening the mounts up, and then we'll try and fit the track. So the first phase is done. We've got the curtain track up. Next phase is, well, we've hung curtains, but we've got to sort something out to hold them in place down at the bottom, and I think that's going to be a wire, so more of this to come. I actually think the top rail is quite neat. It's one piece, it runs right the way around the top of the screen, and really it just matches in. That's worked out very neat indeed. And the curtains themselves, fine, they seem to sit nicely up there. So it's the bottom bit, just trying to get them down and across to not just hang vertically. We need them at an angle, and that's going to be the issue. Can't have Janet holding them all night long. And of course, one of the other problems we've got, being a boat, we've got windscreen wipers, so we've got wiper motors that are in the way both sides, and other equipment. So it might be a little bit difficult to see what we've done. I've just glued with some thickened epoxy, a block of oak to the window frame there, and that's got a 90-degree hook in it. Now I've done the same on the starboard side, and in the centre of the window put the 2 hooks straight into the fiberglass. Now that proved to be a little bit harder than I expected, because one of them sheared off, because they always give you crap metal. But anyway, they're in now. So what we'll do then is these 2 white rods, they go onto the bottom of the curtain, and then they will just drop onto those hooks, and then we can slide the curtains backwards and forwards on them. The idea is to keep heat in It's all about trying to conserve heat over the winter. Big problem with curtains though is across my steering position. But we'll work it. Oh, feeling slightly shattered. We've just taken the top down. We're getting ready to depart Hartlepool. We're going to head up to Amble today, and we'll have a few days up in Amble. The weather is beautiful today. Clear skies, hardly a breath of wind. Yeah, okay. So we're just coming past the Tyne, and there's a big cruise ship on his way out. We're just pushing ahead to get beyond him. Plenty of little sailboats out playing. And it looks like there's a lifeboat or pilot boat ahead of him. And just ahead we've got Coquet Island and Amble just butting out on the peninsula there. We go around the outside of the island. It's a little bit shallow, especially now we're on neap tides to go in between. So we're about 45 minutes out. So typically after a fantastic run up the coastline, in beautiful weather, flat calm conditions, as we turned in towards Amble, it started raining. 5 minutes out of the harbour, we gave the marina a call, channel 80, and the friendly marina staff told me which berth we were in and asked if they should come down and catch our lines. Yeah. We did say yes. On the run up we even saw dolphins in a distance feeding, and we left them to it. Just a pleasure to see them. Okay. Amble Marina is through the harbour on the port side, just past the lifeboat station. Look out for a red convoy and the old wooden breakwater. Go between the red convoy and the breakwater over the sill and you're in the marina. It is a beautiful marina, a little tight. Good weather, it's easy to manoeuvre. So we were looking for F pontoon right down at the end. We will be starboard side tow. So you turn in between the pylons, and we were right on the end. Yeah. It's just gentle movements on the gears, in and out of gear, just to keep your speed under control. First a gentle balance on the bow thruster, and into astern for a second or so on the port engine to bring us round to settle on starboard side. And there we are. So, thank you for watching. Do give us a big thumbs up, it does help with the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to us. We are pushing to get more subscribers. We need to get over 1,000. We're going there. So enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah.